So I figured I just wanted to give out massive amounts of value to you guys inside of here, and I figured I could take some of my social marketing skills and present it to you guys on how you can generate leads for your wholesaling business through Facebook ads. Hey, what is going on, everyone? Devin up here with another video, and today I already said what I'm going to talk about, so I'm going to be recording a bunch of videos and stuff right now, but this is one of the videos I'm uploading for the day, and I'm going to be breaking it all down for you guys. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to set it up and everything, and from there you guys can generate leads online through Facebook. You don't have to hire somebody, you can just literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to jump inside my computer, we're going to talk and stuff, and I'm going to illustrate exactly how to do this, how to go about setting it up, and there's a couple different various ways, but I'm going to show you guys on exactly how to do so. So jumping into my computer, as we can see here what we got going on, just go to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't know how to get there, you just type in business.facebook.com, and then you just create a new ad or whatever. You may have to create a new account, all that type of stuff. Just get to where you create a new ad. I'm not going to show you guys how to do all that stuff. You can just figure it out yourself. But once you get to this page, this is creating a new campaign. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So first of all, if you guys have a website, then we'll just send traffic to that website or that funnel, whatever it may be. Or Facebook has their own lead generation tool. I use it every once in a while. It's a pretty cool trick, but it doesn't always work and stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to go create a new lead generation ad. You can test out some of this other stuff. The other one I would do is conversions, maybe, although we're not doing sales or anything like that, but conversions does work as well if you have the pixel installed on your funnel. And on top of that, you can also do traffic as well. And so what you're going to do is you're going to just name the campaign, whatever. I'm not going to name it. I'll just keep it as lead generation. And then you're going to hit continue. And what you're going to want to do is select the right Facebook page, name the ad set, whatever you're going to set up, the audience, whatever, that part doesn't matter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a new audience. And so this part is very important. So there's actually a couple ways you can do this. So first of all, if you already have a database with a bunch of leads, and what you can do is you can create a lookalike audience off of it. And you can go in, like, maybe I'll make another video on how to do that, but so what you can do is you can create some sort of lookalike audience, or you can do like a custom audience. And what we can do is, like, let's say that you are in the state, we'll just do Tennessee for example. So you can be in the, if I can spell, there you go. Luckily it lets me do that. So you can do it in the state of Tennessee. You can be even more specific if you want to just do like Memphis or something like that. Yeah, I'm having trouble right now. But yeah, you can do this Memphis. You can be even more specific. You can do the mile range, whatever you're content with. Really the difference is how big your reach is and all that type of stuff. And then what you're going to want to do is set up an age category. Usually I do a very general and broad audience, so that way you can kind of test it, and then as you start running ads, you can kind of figure out what age groups you need to target more. So it'll kind of come back to you what's working and what's not. So you can do the age group and then leave the gender empty. And then on top of that, what we're going to want to do is the detailed targeting part. So what we're going to want to do is we can go into demographics, and we can do something along the lines of financial, their income, and we can actually target these different incomes. So we can do people with a lesser income and everything, and we can target these people that aren't making that much money. So we can go in there and we can do people that are not making that much income in their zip code and everything, and we can target these people that aren't making that much money. So what you want to do is probably target the lesser income people, so the people that aren't making as much money and everything. And then what you want to make sure is that you do not do the expand interest, because that's honestly just a waste of money. And yeah, then what you can do is just come down here and do edit placement. So usually I don't do anything, like I get rid of Instagram, don't do any of the audience network, don't do any of the messenger. I usually only just do feeds. And what you can do is just only target people through the Facebook feeds. That's really only ads that really work. You can test a lot of different stuff, but the feeds is what works the best usually. And you can go inside of there, target the Facebook feeds and everything, and then so that way it's only going on Facebook feeds. And so what you can do is you can just do all mobile devices. And this one, you can test it out and everything. It is just like when they're connected to Wi-Fi, they can see these ads. And so usually the reason why you would want to do that is because then they're at a place where they are actually sitting down and focusing on what's going on. And if you do it without the Wi-Fi or whatever, you just do anybody, then these could be people like driving or whatever it may be, just not somewhere where they're not sitting at home and looking at their phone or they're on their computer or whatever, or at least this is the mobile devices. So people looking on their phone, and usually people make a more educated decision when they're at home. So you can do only when connected to the Wi-Fi. And then the daily budget, what I recommend is I would test about like $20 a day at first. And once you start testing $20 a day, you can kind of see how the results are going and everything. And then from there, you can just set it up however you want and whatnot. And you can scale it, whatever starts working for you. You can really mess with it that way. And then I would just run my ad set continuously. You can do a start and end date, but I don't really recommend it. It's just really up to you, whatever you want to try it out. And then as far as the bid strategy, just do the lowest cost until you kind of like have a set bid cost that really works out. But I usually don't mess with this one. I keep it at lowest cost. And then you get charged by impressions and everything like that. You can schedule the ads, all that type of stuff, which you can just set up the schedule and all that and what's going on and all that. And then what we do is we continue and we go over to this part, setting up the ad itself. And so what I recommend is either do like a single image or a single video, whatever works best. Videos usually work a lot better. But if you don't have a video to advertise, which a video you can just do, like if you have any testimonials, if you have any house, like I don't know, if you have any videos of yourself just saying what's up, what's going on, or you can also do just like an image. You can create some sort of image through a website, which I'll show you guys real quick. You can use this website called Canva.com. And so what you can do is you go over the creative design, and then you can just do a Facebook post right here, and you can design the Facebook post however you want it. If you have a picture of like a house or whatever and say we buy houses, all that type of stuff. So you can make it look like one of your bandit signs if you want, and just upload it into here. So if you do like a single image and then you upload it, and so I got some random picture in there. But what you can also do, and then what's really important is the ad copy. So what you'll want to do is something along the lines of we buy houses, or like we buy houses cash, or looking to sell your house, and then something along the lines of like we buy houses cash. And so you're going to want to mix this up. You're going to want to really give people a reason for them to click your ad and everything. Give them a little bit of a rundown what you offer and the services you offer. So, for example, if you're going to be doing the wholesaling and whatnot, you're going to want to say the fact that it's going to be super convenient. They don't have to handle anything. They don't have to have any buyers walk through or anything like that. And then on top of that, we give you like an all cash offer, and we can do close in 7 days or whatever it may be. Whatever is the most enticing, do like a full on breakdown and everything. And then what you're going to want to do is for the call to action, you're going to want to do, we can do get an offer. And from there, you can have them go actually into the lead form. So this is the lead generation tool inside of Facebook, and you can create your own new form. And so if you already have a website, or if you already have like some sort of funnel, anything like that, then you can just send them through. If you do if you do like a click optimization rather than a lead generation optimization ad. So what you can do is just create a new form, and then you can go inside and you can break it down on what's going on inside the form. But yeah, super simple. And then on top of that, really that is about it. You'll want to have a Facebook pixel if you're using a website, but if you're not using a website, then whatever. And then from there, obviously it's not going to run. I'm not going to hit confirm. But yeah, you just go inside there and test this out. You just mess around with it a little bit, and then kind of like once you get the stats and everything, you can kind of figure out what it costs for you to get a lead. And then you can keep refining everything. Usually you want to keep refining like the audiences and setting up a better audience for everything going on. And you just keep playing with this all over the place. And from there, that is about it. It's pretty simple and easy. It's not too complicated, but there's a lot of different moving parts and tools, and you really got to mess with things a little bit. You're changing the age, and just as you keep refining it, it'll get better and better. And from there, you can set it up so that way you have this awesome, amazing lead generation stream into your wholesaling business, and you can keep getting leads. As Facebook is one of those platforms that basically everybody uses. It's kind of like the modern day, what's going on with TV ads and everything. It's like the modern day TV ads. And from there, you can really drive home a lot of leads, a lot of conversions, all that type of stuff. So anyways, hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. It was super basic how to use Facebook ads. If you guys want, maybe I can go more in depth. I didn't really there's a lot that you just kind of have to mess around with, figure it out a little bit inside of there. But I figured this was a good introductory video for those that are trying to wholesale and do Facebook ads. So if you guys want more videos about like how to run Facebook ads and everything, drop it down in the comments down below. And on top of that, if you haven't already, join the fam, join the gang by hitting the subscribe button down below as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. And like always, I'm uploading to YouTube every day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.